Welcome to Houston, the bottom of the South. If you ain't from around here, you might not make it out. I done seen it all, plenty balled and foul. One day buying them all, next they lost it all. Don't let the hype fool you, keep you too close by. These jackets will play cool and hit you with the 4-5.
Caught me slipping.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Hey, how do you see out your back window? You don't see it at all, do you?
Yeah, you can.
You can?
You can see basically the first. It looks like nothing's there. It's great. You see your little vents, but you see still.
I'm gonna have to look inside that shit. I don't believe it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a super quick video. I need y'all guys to go in the link in the description or search Mod Effects. It's MODFX, Mod Effects. I need everybody to click off this video, go in the link in the description or search Mod Effects, MODFX. Guys, I need y'all to go get these guys to 1,000 freaking subscribers, like right now. If you a Mopar head and you love Mopars, guys, this is a shop you must go subscribe to, because they are about to have some legendary, aka Tall Guy Review legendary content coming out very soon. So I'm giving you the heads up right now. So you might want to take my word, guys, and go freaking subscribe to them. Go subscribe. Like, what are y'all still doing here? Y'all worse than my kids. Hardhead. Why? Really? Hey. You're gonna watch it to the end for what? I just told you to leave. It's okay. It's only gonna be like a 3-minute video. I don't get paid for this. Go subscribe, man. Please listen to me, guys. Go leave right now. Not today, not yesterday. Right now, leave. Okay. He left, but I'm waiting on you. You finna go? You finna get a cup of water first? Okay. After you get the cup of water, guys, I need y'all to go leave and go subscribe to Mod Effects.
Smoked out banjo. Hard tone.